this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities that require attractions and also you will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.9, which is the good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details. We provide information about the cuisine, ambience, food and dietary options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and uses, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Category fourth. Room category fifth. Category 6th. Room category 7th. Category 8th. Room category 9th. Category 10. Room category 11th. Category 12th. Room category 13th. Category 14. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is fine and guests truly enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 4 p.m. and the check-out time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several rules and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, you can tell us right away. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share